How to remove text from videos in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove text from videos in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your CapCut. Make sure that it's updated to its latest version. After you open up your CapCut, you can then start a new project, or you can simply open up any projects that you already have. So let me open this project right here. Let me open that up. And now if I want to remove the text from this video, what I can do is, if the text was just the text was added to the video in CapCut itself, I can easily remove it by tapping on the text area. As you can see, CapCut will even give me this section on the bottom that will allow me to edit the text. Now I can delete the text from here and then it's gone. Now that's the first thing that you can do. Now if the other case is, if you already have a video which has text already inside the video, what we can do is, let me just add a text right here. So the text should be somewhere around here. Let me unselect this. There's the text. So let me add a little text here. Let's say watermark. Let's name it watermark. And if you have something like this and it's right around here, what you'll need to do is, since this will be inside your video, when you zoom it in, the watermark will also go down. That is, whenever this should go down whenever you edit this. You zoom it in a bit, you zoom in the video first, and that should go down. And doing it like that, it will just remove the text from the video. Now that's the only case for your watermarks. If you want to remove watermarks, and yeah, you can export the video after that. And that's basically how you remove text from videos in CapCut, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.